Today I'm going to be teaching a very cool toned berry look, starting with Glisten Up on the lid, Dusty Orchid in the crease, Berried Treasure, get it, Berry in the corner, and Raisin Hell to smoke. Per the usual, shimmer only goes on the eyelid. So since Glisten Up has shimmer in it, I'm going to apply it all the way across the lid, anywhere the skin touches my eyeball. Next up, I'm going to do the crease brush with Dusty Orchid, and I'm going to be applying this over the eyeball and under the brow bone. Lighter on the inside, heavier and higher on the outside to create a lift. Since this is my crease color, it does not have shimmer. By the way, I'm feeling very 90s today with this look. I've got my gray tone brown on my lips, just like I wore in 1994, and purple eyeshadow. Next up is the corner color, Berried Treasure with the corner brush. I'm going to apply this to the outer portion of the eyelid and right up to the crease, but not in the crease. Really, any skin tone or eye color could wear this, but it specifically enhances green eyes best. And before I do my smoke color, I'm going to add eyeliner in pitch black watercolor eyeliner. And you can see how important that is to frame my eye. And then I grab my smoke brush with Raisin Hell and I diffuse the liner to make it look as if it is airbrushed into my lid color. This is also a really easy step to take it from day to night. And as always, once I'm done applying the eyeshadow, I use a bit of my concealer to give it a nice, fresh, clean, sharp look on the outer edge before I apply mascara. You can see the difference from this eye to this eye and how important it is to clean up your work when you're done. Now that it's cleaned up, I apply the mascara. Of course, I've curled my lashes already because I cannot put mascara on until those lashes are curly because they fall straight to the ground. And I use our heated eyelash curler to ensure that the curl holds all day. Look at the difference with mascara. And there you have it. It's a nice little plum purple look without being too bright, without being lavender. And like I said earlier, just really good to help enhance a green eye, but works on all eye colors.